next we'll do one more. I don't think that this one, I don't know that I'll use this wire for this one. I'm thinking maybe a gold base. Where'd that thick gold wire go? Okay, found it. Yes, that would look nice. And actually, this wire might be good. Or I could do a different base with this. No. This wire. Silver is too light. Okay. This one will make a size 8. I don't know. I just feel like those are common sizes. I don't know. I wear a size 6. I know people that wear size 5. I know people that wear size 7, 8. I've had someone message me asking me to make a custom ring that was size 10. Since we're going for 8, we will do mold sort of thing at size 9. This ring's kind of bigger, so I think I'll go around one more time and it won't look weird. Okay, let's cut it. Oh, yes, now let's cut it. Okay, save that wire. Please excuse my extra dry hands. I did not put lotion on and I have some slight eczema on my hands. Not on my fingers, just like this hand looks okay actually, but this hand was a little dry around my knuckles and stuff. Okay, now that we got this, I just want to like quadruple check that it's going to be the right size. So this might end up being a little bigger than 8. That's okay. Let's just see what happens. Okay, this is the rock. It's a tiger's eye, I believe is what it's called. Again, let me get like, I don't know, this much? Like a foot and a half? 2 feet again? It's always better to get more than you need, so that way you don't have to cut more, worry about ends. Okay, I think I'll do like I did the last one, and I'll just put it all the way through till it's like halfway. Okay. And now I'll do like I did before, and I'll cover up this middle section where the ends are. Okay, so we're gonna start slightly before the end, because it does end up slipping a bit sometimes. Then I'll go wrap it around a few times. I'm gonna go in the ring. These are usually pretty quick to make, these rings. Okay, now I need to get that end wrapped in here. Oh no, it slipped. Oops, I keep coming out of the shot. Okay, beautiful. But I know I need to get this, and I like it to be on the other side. Yeah, like that. Okay, now we will secure the ring in. How do I want it? I like the flat side down, and maybe like that. It's kind of like a shark tooth coming out. So we're just gonna secure this ring in there, and this is always the hardest part, but it will be a-okay. I like to kind of make a sort of design when I'm holding it in, but at the same time I can only do so much because I mostly just need it to stop slipping around. It slips all over the place. Okay, that should be good. Then I will wrap it around to sort of design. I'm gonna do it like I'm gonna push the wires in so they're securing this a little better. But it honestly should be fine. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. A little more spaced out towards the rock because that's what I want to do. What is this? What did I do here? Oh, whoops, it came out. Fix that before we go any further, or it will be hopeless. Okay, that's fixed. Alright, let's do this side. A little more spaced out. I don't want to go too far with this end. Maybe I'll just like come back with it. I don't know. Let's not worry about that right now. We're gonna just keep going. So then, since I have the two spaced out like that, I want to do this next one with it. Two together. Very close to each other. And maybe I'll do a pattern where it's like spaced out, then after that do two spaced out and then two together. So there's the spaced out. And then here is the two together. Another two spaced out. The wire bends in weird ways sometimes. And you just want to make sure also that it's super tight so that you're always pulling as you're going. I am by no means an expert at making rings. I just like to do it. It's fun. My nail polish is trashed now. Much easier once you run out of wire because not so much to work with. It's not too much wire. Okay, there's your spaced out. Now this one is our close together. And then our close together. Running on end here. Okay, now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this end. I think I might trap it in there with this other wire somehow. I'm gonna use the pliers. I'm not sure if I want to cut it. Yeah, I think I might want to cut it. Okay, so because I have this big bulky area right here on the one side, I want to make it even on the other side. So somehow I want to get over here. I think I'll just do one of these. There, got over there. And then I'm going to make it big. That area. Maybe I can wrap it around so much that I don't have to cut this wire. But I think I might want to cut the wire. Okay, that looks about even now. What am I going to do with this guy? Can put him under there. Okay, let's go around one more time before I cut it. I'll throw it away in a bit. Okay, so we're here and I want to shove it under this spot. I want to kind of hide it. Those ones are just like wrecking it. Wants to go here, so I think I'll just let it go there. Okay, and now we'll check what size it's become, and it's roughly a 7. It's pretty. use it. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope it wasn't hard to tell what I was doing, and I hope that you guys enjoyed joining me for that. Wow, I just hit my leg. Okay, I'll see you guys next week for something. Probably going to be more art, because it's been a few weeks now. Because last week it was a video of me talking. This week it's me talking but making rings. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again. Let me know if you guys have any advice for me. I'm not exactly an expert. Also let me know if you have any questions, because, I mean, I know some stuff. Okay. Alright, see you guys next week.